is it so essential for your workout program? I know we ask a lot for the amount of protein you're going to intake. However, it's essential for optimal recovery for all your muscles. When you have enough protein in the body, you don't have as much cravings for carbs and fat. Trust me, it's hard to get all the protein we're going to recommend to you. A common question that we have often is it good to have through shakes or through food? Shakes are still food. However, when you have food in volume, your digestive tract has to work a little bit harder. So yes, we prioritize that. However, shakes are not a bad thing. For myself, I wake up every single morning, I consume the equivalent of 2 protein shakes, that's 60 grams of protein, all in one sitting. And you're probably thinking 60 grams of protein, thought your body can only digest 20 to 30 at a time. It's a myth. Everything we're telling you, it's going to work. The data we have is collected over the last 15 years of all our current clients and peer-reviewed studies. So when you're training with us, it's excellent to ask great questions. However, don't believe all the myths and junk that's online.